Hey guys, it's me, your boy, Lamarck LP, here with an unboxing video of my new laptop.
Ran down the steps at record speed.
My baby, my new baby.
Can they hear? What you gonna say while you open it?
This is the new 2020 MacBook Pro. Not the one with the M1, because what I need it for, I'm not sure if the M1 is ready yet for, if you're doing work intensive stuff. So this is the 10th gen i7 processor with upgraded RAM as well, and the 4 USB-C ports and not the 2 like on the base model. And the stickers. Everybody loves stickers that match the computer. It comes with the USB-C charging cord and the brick. I'm sad they don't include the long cord anymore, but I bought one because I love the long cord. And I already have dongles because I had a MacBook 12-inch from 2015, but since my productivity has risen, it was time to get a new one. That one couldn't handle it anymore, so that's why I got the MacBook Pro. And we're going to unwrap this.
1, 2, 3.
And look at the new screen. And it got the touch bar, which I've been excited to try because the last one I had the function keys, and this new one has the not butterfly switches, the regular switches, but the improved and thinner ones. So yep, this is my new MacBook 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch with
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Leave any comments, questions down below in the comment box. Like the video, share, and subscribe. Peace.